Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your run and choosing a build that survives sustained combat. Reach Battle Tier 5 before attempting the Firewall Sentry spawn. Prioritize mobility and area damage to handle concentrated enemy waves and objective timers. Collect 3 firewall keys by completing objectives and breaking elite crates along the path. Save at least 250 scrap to craft or unlock the Firewall Sentry when the opportunity appears. Keep an eye on spawn timers and map icons to avoid wasting keys or scrap on false leads. Next, trigger the specific spawn events that produce the Firewall Sentry. Clear 2 consecutive elite waves to trigger the spawn event on most maps. Move quickly to the central plaza and activate the firewall beacon when it unlocks for your team. A short-minute challenge begins after activation, so focus damage and crowd control immediately. Win the minute challenge within 60 seconds to force the Firewall Sentry drop for the victorious team. Finally, claim and deploy the Firewall Sentry to control the area and secure objectives. Approach the dropped Firewall Sentry item and spend 250 scrap to claim it for your team. Carry the unit to a defensible position and place the Firewall Sentry strategically behind cover to block choke points. Assign teammates to protect the device while you upgrade it quickly. Upgrade the Sentry with 2 reinforcement modules to increase durability and fire rate for prolonged zone control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.